Take a tour around our Upland Nursery. Here at the Standard Design Group, we have many facets to our nursery. We are open 7 days a week and have a brand new Belgard showroom, which I will show you all about in a minute. Up at the front by the sidewalk, we have a bunch of different rocks and gravel and sand options to add a little oomph to your yard. Once you get into the nursery, you will be greeted by a plethora of beautiful blooming flowers. We have all types and all colors, shapes, and sizes, all year round, or ones that just bloom in certain seasons. Take your pick. We have a bunch of different vegetables and herbs, as well as cacti and succulents. We have hanging plants and plants that go in pots like the ones you'll see here. These are some beautiful bushes and trees that we have available. The turf dog says hello. We have a bunch of different turf options for your yard. Check out our MSI hardscape collections while you're there. If you're looking to spice up your indoor space, we have a bunch of indoor plants to choose from. Outdoor, we have rose bushes galore, big box trees and plants, and over here we have a beautiful fountain and pond. And here is the Belgard Paver Showroom, the biggest one in Southern California. It's great because you can actually see what the pavers will look like in your front yard, in your driveway, wherever you need them to be. And hey, play a little putt-putt while you're there. We have a huge selection of privacy hedges and trees of all shapes and sizes. Come visit us soon here in Upland. We're here to help you create the yard of your dreams.